connections here like this, where this thing goes onto, and then 2 bolts to hold it, so it doesn't move, you know.
And then countersink the bolts
to this, yeah. I thought you did.
I sent you the license plate.
The license plate, that's what it was.
License plate from New Hampshire.
So you all work from New Hampshire yet?
Yep.
That was you that sent us the license plate? Oh, nice.
Yeah, got a new vehicle, so.
Let's make sure it's, oh, it's still.
That's a cool plate.
Yeah.
Is that it right there?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the man right here. Thank you.
Well, it's nice to put a name to something like that. I mean, a face to something like that, so.
I figured you'd like it being a fellow vet. So.
Yeah, that's awesome.
What do you guys think? All powder coated. Oh, nice and powder coated. Welding up the braces up there. The bracket. Welding up the brackets up. Welding up the brackets up there for the camera kit. Everything's coming back together.
In Iraq. As soon as we got there, because they went this way, they went to Iraq and went to Afghanistan. And they
Hold on the other side, huh?
just put this up, look at that. Fellow veterans.
Yep. Came all the way down. Represent.
Veterans State.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Congrats, man.
Steven.
No problem.
First person to ever
Glad I
come
could put it
drop
up.
it. Yeah.
I'll send you
Like
all
it
the
looks
photos.
good up there.
Sweet.
Yeah, I don't think I could have sent it to anybody else that would like it as much.
No, I love it, love it.
What do you think?
I like them. I got the aluminum ones.
Oh, okay, yeah, you
I
got
bought the aluminum ones years ago with the old, with the older style,
The toe?
the toe adjustment.
okay, yeah,
I didn't
yeah.
get the billet one. I got the one with the bolt and the nuts.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah. That's a long time ago.
Yeah, man, you got one of the real ones right there.
OG right there. He's
Yeah.
a
Everybody's
OG.
going.
That's how old this shirt is. I got this shirt when I got the arms.
Oh, damn. What do you guys think? Going into Prelude, everything's powder coated up.
Is it gonna be a show car?
Yeah, it is. That's what you see.
Yeah, show
Those are
car.
gonna be tough to keep clean.
I know.
Yeah, she.
I know. We had
Just getting everything cleaned up.
For Misty.
Missy.
Misty.
You saw we went ahead and welded that. Sprayed it up for us.
Not this side yet.
Not this side yet.
Halfway.
Almost.
We had to go get new wire. So all you people out
Wire brush?
wire. No, wire for the drill. I mean
For the welding?
welder.
I think it's almost done. We're gonna take off the exhaust hanger. Just put these brackets up. Special brackets that come with it. That way you could weld the upper bar. This man right here been watching us for a while.
Heck yeah.
Wait, you from in town, out of town, or
Illinois.
Illinois? Yeah. Is it cold there right now, or
No, it's not bad.
not bad? Okay.
About 90s, I'd
90s.
say.
That's cool. That's cool. What do you think of this Prelude?
I think it's awesome.
I know. You seen a kit in the back and everything?
Oh yeah.
She's product on everything. It's gonna be like a show car and race car, but mainly show.
You gotta do a couple pulls.
I know.
Hey, Reese, go again. Let me see it.
Oh, Maria.
Check this out. So tell me, we can't do something here with the vinyl wrapping. Do some eyeballs here, and then we got the headband.
No, there he goes.
Eyeballs.
No, and then look, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles headband. Look, everything.
All right, guys, we got everything up right now. Axle's not in, but what do you think? It looks really nice. The white, yep, makes it pop. Check out everything. They're going to run CRV diff. Upper bar up, everything's welded on both sides. Should be good. We got the motor out right now, doing some more changes. But yeah, what do you guys think about this? What do you think about the white? Looks really nice. Really nice. Alright guys, we're going to keep you up to date on this car. Like, subscribe. See you again soon with this 5th gen Prelude.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and time. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and time. All-wheel gripping, 4-wheel gripping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and time. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and time. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and time. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, and the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and time. All-wheel gripping, 4-wheel gripping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and time. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and time. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and time. Them wheels are always